fine at your home. You can learn something new every day if you listen. With this beautiful quotation, we'll start our lesson today. We are studying about OpenOffice ORG Writer 2. So today one more interesting topic, that is how to insert table in a document. All of you know about table. Then also let us come to know what is a table and what are its parts. A table is an arrangement of text in the form of columns and rows. A table is used for enhancement of the document. A table consists of vertical columns and horizontal rows. The intersection of a column and row is called a cell. Now let us see which part of the table is called what. So suppose this is a table. See, these horizontal lines are called as your rows. These vertical lines are called columns. And then the intersection of a row and column form small cells, small boxes known as your cells. Okay, so these are the parts of the table. Now let us see how to create table using OpenOffice ORG, or how to insert a table in OpenOffice Writer. Okay, for that you see how to insert table using a table button. For that, place the insertion point where you want to insert a table. So first keep the cursor, means keep the cursor in the place where you want to insert a table. Click the arrow table button on the standard toolbar, then drag while holding down the mouse button to highlight the number of rows and columns for the table. See, this long bar containing different icons are known as your standard toolbar, and this is your table button, and you click on the small triangle and then select by your drag, means your number of rows and columns for your table. Okay, and then you click, then your table will be inserted. Grid like structure will be inserted in the place where you have kept your cursor. So now you can create your table and you can insert data like this. So you can press tab key to go to the next session, or you can click on that cell. So suppose here mark, then grade. Okay, suppose you have entered the data here 1, then any name you can enter, suppose, then mark also suppose you can enter, then next for next row also, then you can write another name here. Oh sorry, next here you can enter the mark here, then suppose you can write here A grade. So this way you can enter all of your all data inside the table. Okay, so this is a table you see where your data, all the data entered. Okay, so this way you can use the table button present in the standard toolbar to insert a table in your writer document. Okay, so other ways are also there to insert a table in the document. So what is the other way? That is, see, one of the ways to use the insert table option, use insert table menu. So now use insert table menu, how to do it. So for that also, first option is same, place the insertion point or your cursor where you want to insert the table. Suppose I have kept here, click the table icon on the standard toolbar, or click select table command from the insert drop down menu, or press Ctrl+12 button together. So already this standard toolbar select table icon button we have used. Now you will go for this insert menu. See here insert menu is there. Then you, from the insert menu, we will select the option table here, and in the table side also it is written, say Ctrl+F12. if you can use Ctrl+F12 together also to enter a table. So here what it is asking, it is asking for a table name. You can give a name here, and then you give your columns, suppose number of columns, and then number of rows. Okay, so then click on the OK button. So your table will be inserted in your document, and now you can insert your data. Suppose you can write here like this table, anything, one table you can make like this. Okay, so suppose you now enter the data, you can press tab key to go to the next column. Suppose any data you can enter here, and they can like this. Okay, so this way you can insert the table. And if you press, suppose F12, you place the cursor here and you press F12, keep together. What is that? Control plus F12 keys together. So Control plus F12 from the keyboard. Then also this table dialog box will appear, where you can give your columns, rows and columns according to your requirement, and then click on the OK button. Then one table will be inserted. That means in how many ways you can insert a table in your document? There are 3 ways to insert a table in your document. First, you use the table icon present on the standard toolbar. Go to the insert menu and select the table option, and then give number of rows and columns and click on OK button. Then a table will be inserted where you have kept your cursor. Otherwise, you press Ctrl plus F12 keys together. Then again the table insert table dialog box will appear, where you provide your number of rows and columns and then click on the OK button. So in 3 ways you can insert a table in your writer document. Now see, how can you change the look of the table? How can you change the look of the table? So for that we'll use auto formatting a table. Auto formatting a table. So let us see how to do this. Suppose I have here I will insert a table. I'll go to the insert menu, then I will click on the table option. Then here I will give suppose number of columns and then number of rows. Okay, so table will be inserted. And now I want to change the look of this table. For that you will go to table menu is there here, and then go to auto format. Okay, so here it is auto format table option. You will find one dialog box appear, that is table auto format dialog box. Different, see here preview you can see. So this type various styles, means look will change only. So this type you can change. You can go and see which style you want to apply to your table, whichever you will like. You select that one and click on the OK button. Your table will look like that. That is your to change the look of the table. We can use auto format. This feature we can apply the table which we have already created also. Suppose for this table you want to change the color, means look of this table. You click the cursor in the table, then go to anywhere you can keep the cursor, so that table will be selected. Then you go to the table, then auto format option go. This box will appear. You go for any choice of your format, of different formats it is showing. So one of you choose for your table, then click on the OK button. Your table will be like this. Okay, so this way you can apply means color to your table. Okay, so any other table, go for auto format. This gray, these things become 0. Go to table, then go to auto format, then this way you can change the look of the table by applying different formats are there. You can choose any format to change the look of the table. Okay, so this is very simple and but very useful thing. You may use it in your life also whenever you make a document. Hope all of you understand this, and if you see this video also you can understand. Those who have having computer at home, you can practice also how to insert table in OpenOffice. Okay, and how to change the look of the table using table auto format. Okay, and other things, other properties of the table we'll read in the next class. Okay, thank you all. Have a nice day. Take care.